Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to unlock any iPhone without a passcode or Apple ID. I'll use Syncios Passcode Unlocker, which works for all iPhones and iPads, including the latest models. Here's how it works. Step 1. Download and install Syncios Passcode Unlocker on your PC. Step 2. Launch the software and click Start to unlock. Step 3. Connect your iPhone using a USB cable. If it's unable to recognize your device, quickly press volume up and volume down according to the guide. Hold the power until Connect to iTunes appears. Remember that do not release at Apple logo. Step 4. Select your device and click Start. Step 5. Download iOS firmware. The firmware download may take some time, so please be patient. After the firmware is successfully downloaded, click Next to continue. Step 6. Start unlocking. Before continuing, you will be asked to enter 6 zeros to confirm the removal of screen locks. Please note that removing the screen lock will erase all data on your iPhone. If you have backed up your iPhone before, you can restore the data from iTunes or iCloud. After confirming that everything is correct, click the Unlock button to continue. Wait for a while, your iPhone will automatically restart and the screen lock will no longer exist. That's it. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.